What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this AeroFara mini PC. This one is my newest mini PC and this one is actually the tiniest, the most compact mini PC that I have ever used, and definitely this one offers better value for money than the other mini PCs that I have been using. I have actually bought more than 5 mini PCs in last 3 months. I have done some other review videos on other mini PCs. But if you are looking for something compact with better value for money, then I think this AeroFara mini PC is the best. Well, you don't have to take my words for it. We will go through some process and check whether it performs or not. At the beginning, let me tell you that this one comes with Intel Celeron processor N5105. Earlier this series was known as J series, Jasper Lake series, but this one comes with new generation N5105. This processor is better than its predecessor, but it's not a gaming processor. The edition that I have bought comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. I will leave the official link in the description box below, and if you are subscribed to this channel, then maybe you will get a good discount. Well, without wasting any more time, let's start from unboxing. This is our AeroFara mini PC. After opening the box, the first thing you will notice is a user manual. This is a very good user manual with illustrations and everything is described very briefly. There is a compartment that contains a 24 watt adapter. Yeah, 24 watt, because this one doesn't need a lot of power. And AeroFara has also included a very good quality HDMI cable. Well, let's unwrap this tiniest mini PC from AeroFara. Wow, it looks premium, and in hand it feels a very premium because this one is built with the aluminum enclosure. I think this aluminum enclosure design not only looks good but also helps to dissipate some heat. Okay, the power button is actually on the right side. You will also find two USB 3.0 ports on the right side. There is a full-size SD card slot and a big vent for air intake. On the rear side, there is this DC port, another USB 3.0 port, HDMI port, a LAN port, a 3.5mm port, and a reset button. There is a VGA port on the left side and a very big vent, a very big cutout, which helps its thermal performance. In front, there is nothing but a LED status light. I really like this minimalistic design language. On top, yeah, there is this logo of AeroFara, but that's acceptable and looks nice. Let's check the weight of this mini PC. It weighs 353.6 grams. I think I have some smartphones which weighs more than 300 grams. Let's check this Honor Magic V. Wow, this one weighs 306.5 grams. So this mini PC only weighs 53 grams more than my Honor Magic V. And side by side, width of this mini PC is almost as wide as my Oppo Find N. This one is a tiny monster because side by side, if I put my other mini PCs, look at this. This one is almost half of those other mini PCs. Well, what can we do with this mini PC? This AeroFara mini PC, because this one comes with a Celeron processor. This isn't a gaming mini PC, but I think I must mention this one is very powerful. I have been playing games on this one. I actually play Minecraft when I have some leisure time, and I love to play Strike Zone on my PCs, and this one performs without any issues. Let's check some gameplay.
I'll show you how I make everything just fade away, cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane, jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Well, yeah, I can play Minecraft on this one, but there are sometimes a few lags here and there. I cannot say Minecraft would run very smoothly on this one, but you can play. That's the point. You can play Minecraft, but it's not like it don't perform like any other gaming PC.
Damn good statement, there is no replacement. A body by say she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs.
And usually people buy mini PC for official use, for social media, to watch YouTube, and in daily life, in day-to-day usage, this mini PC is a beast. You will never find any issues. On my browser, I have opened 10 tabs and ran YouTube videos on all those tabs. There wasn't any lag. And even when I play games, I cannot hear the fan noise. This one got a very heavy blower inside, I mean the fan, but even at full speed, it doesn't make that big sound. So if you're looking for a standard mini PC, if you're a standard user, then this one is the best. But if you're looking for some customization, if you're looking for some heavy gaming, then you have to pay, you have to spend money. Usually you get as much as you pay, but here I'm recommending this one because this one actually offers more than what you pay for it. Well, that's all about this AeroFara mini PC. If you're looking for an affordable budget mini PC with solid performance, then I think this is the one. If you have any other mini PC in your mind, if you think there are other mini PCs that offers a better value for money and may perform better than this within its price range, then please make a comment and let me know. If you have any question about this mini PC, then also make a comment in the comment section below and I will be happy to reply you. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Like button is over there, and there is a subscription button that's for free. Subscribe to this channel and share the love.
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it.